According to Teslarati, Tesla is dramatically cutting costs on its supercharger installations while increasing power. Tesla's director of charging for North America, Max de Zegher, revealed that the company now spends about $40,000 to $45,000 per supercharger stall. Even with the upcoming V4 Superchargers, which will deliver up to 500 kilowatts per stall, Tesla expects to keep costs under $40,000 per unit. This contrasts sharply with other charging projects. For example, New York Governor Kathy Hochul recently announced a $60 million deal between NY Green Bank and Revel to build 267 charging stalls in New York City, which amounts to roughly $224,000 per stall, more than 5 times what Tesla is spending. Tesla is pushing to deploy these advanced V4 superchargers quickly, with de Zegher stating the company is targeting the first pilot locations by the third quarter of this year. This aggressive expansion aligns with Tesla's ongoing strategy to maintain the most expansive and cost-effective fast charging network in the industry. You are listening to Yuan News.